That's me being an idiot, okay? So, wow, I'm tired. That's tiring. I was trying to see if there is the fastest backwards runner in the world, but clearly I'm an idiot. One thing I can tell you though, that there is the fastest car that can go in reverse in the world, okay? This is the fastest car on record, and you're gonna be in for a treat. This car is beautiful. I was able to see this car in person, and it was gorgeous. Check this out.
Everything you just saw was played in reverse.
The Rimac Nevera goes 171 miles per hour in reverse. And guess what, guys? It sets the new world record. Rimac brought the Nevera to an automotive testing facility in Germany, where test driver Goran Drank piloted the vehicle to an astonishingly fast 171 miles per hour in reverse. He described the experience as an unnatural for the Nevera. Well, there you have it, guys. The Croatia electric hypercar reaching 171 miles per hour. Freaking beast. In 2023, we were able to see this car over at the Triple F Collection event that they had in the summer, and they were beautiful. We saw both of them. Both of these cars, man. Freaking wild, dude. In person, these cars are amazing. You just can't believe they make an electric hypercar that can reach a top speed, going forward, and then now we have a world record of going backwards. That's so cool, man. But anyhow, yeah, I had a good time with these cars. They did a whole reveal. The CEO, Mate Rimac, was actually at this event, and he introduced these two cars, being the second and third in North America to be delivered to the Triple F Collection at this event, which is freaking amazing. Look at this one. This color was gorgeous, guys. It's like a white blue. And one thing that's so cool about this, and I'll show you guys in a minute, the actual spoiler, the wing, has like a tint of blue on that carbon. See that? Look at that. Look how sexy that looks. And at the bottom too, the bottom diffuser is also the exact same way. So Naples Motorsports will be the Rimac dealership here in North America. So now you know what is the fastest car in the world. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching. I love you guys.